Nyabinghi drums have finally got here from Paris. My wife bought it for me for my birthday. I'm really happy. It took a while to get here, but I finally got here today. So this is the unboxing of the Nyabinghi, my first Nyabinghi ensemble drums. Thank you, Bertois. Sorry if I'm not pronouncing your name properly. Thank you for making these beautiful Nyabinghi drums for me. Really grateful. Bless up. Much blessing. Yeah. I'm ready. Nyabinghi drum. Look at it. Come to get it. Want to do this awesome, guys? Okay. This is coming out. Not too, obviously. When I'm packing up good. Okay, back. Here comes this kit there. And the boom there. Whoa, my man, don't put jump on the bucket. Right, guys, get them all up. It's like Christmas, guys. So, let's take them together. Hold on. Happy. Guys, with it. Got it. So, there's the not tuned yet, going to tune it. There's the kit there. And there is the boom there. There's a boom there. And he sent me some shakers. And a pizza. That's really strong. Yeah? Really strong right there. It's in there. 80s. Personalized logo. One there. Yeah. Thank you very much. Nice birthday present. Thank you.